I know a guy.
Kim. How come Josh knows everybody? That's so funny. Oh my god. Ah! Why is it so cute? Hello, so if you join Patreon, I have all of these things here. Just wanted to show what I have basically. I didn't get to finish Heart Killers, but everything else I finished, so yeah. Thank you. I've also now got Anteam reactions, SB19 reactions, some bandmate reactions. I'm gonna have different reactions on here, different things that people may want, so please let me know what you want, and you know, then it'll be on here. Okay, so I was gonna watch this. Now the problem with this is a really difficult video to watch. Just because obviously it says like with your earbuds you've got to listen to this, but I can't really do that because my laptop is not working. So I don't really have a choice. I've kind of got to listen to it this way, you know, with the TV, but I'll listen to it again, you know, when I edit it, I'll listen to it again, and then I'll like comment probably, you know, which parts that are really good in the headphones. So just, you know, bear with me. I've got to listen to it this way for the first bit, but you know, it'll be really cool. But I remember what they do here. It's like, you know, you listen to it like that and it's surround sound, you know, it goes everywhere. So if they're like behind you or whatever, you'll hear it from behind. It's so cool. I love that so much. But yeah, I can't listen to it that way right now because, as I say, my thing's not charged and not working. So I don't know if it'll work once it's charged, but I'll have to see. But sometimes it just doesn't work, and I don't know about that. So I'd rather do it like this. So let's just go for now, and as I say, I'll tell you how I feel about it more in editing, if it's any different. This is cool. Yo, with my glasses. Yeah. Oh, he's wearing a hat, Yuma. He looks cool with the hat on though.
와, 고맙다.
안녕하세요. 와,
안녕하세요.
반갑다.
네, 그럼 저희 인사드리겠습니다.
네.
원투 윙.
안녕하세요, NCT입니다.
Are they only performing?
와, 또 이렇게
They've got to be
저희가
performing more than just
하고 이렇게 사운드 영상을 거의
back to life, because this is an 8-minute video.
오늘 어떤 노래 하죠?
어떻게 할까요? 언더 더 스킨?
언더스키.
Oh my god,
너무 기대를. 오늘은 저희의 한국 데뷔곡.
that would be crazy. That would be crazy if they did Under the Skin. Under the Skin though. They seem to really enjoy the fact that it could have been Under the Skin though.
그러면 안 돼요.
매일매일 듣고 있는 곡.
맞아요.
근데 약간 이렇게 들어주는 게 처음이라
네.
맞아요.
네.
근데 진짜 리허설 때도 이제 상상 못했는데 진짜 가깝다.
그니까요.
여러분이니까 진짜 거기까지 보여요 다.
맞아요.
진짜 가까웠어.
얼굴 보입니다.
다 보입니다. 보여요. 여러분 너무 예뻐요.
르네 여러분도 잘 보이죠? 다행입니다.
바로 한번 가볼까요?
네.
Let's go.
르네만 화이팅.
So pretty.
르네가 더 예뻐.
Cute. Oh yeah, they do it like in like not a circle, but inside on the inside. That's so cool. The nails. You could hear it actually, you could hear it there where it panned to Yuma. So you could hear it was in the back. That's so cool. Oh, Maki is the other. That's cool. Oh, Maki's a lot of the ad-libs. That's crazy. Whoa, that sounds really cool. I love how Maki has to walk everywhere because he's the one doing the ad-libs too. Oh, Haruo looks really cool like this. Ooh, the wink. Cool. Yeah, bro, Maki does so many ad-libs in this. I wonder if you can hear them in the actual song. I'd love to know. I'm gonna be listening out for that now when I listen to the song again. I think it really works with it being Joe and Taki to end that song. Because the voice change from Taki to Joe makes it feel so good, you know, the ending. I love that. Yeah, see, they've got to be performing something else.
이런 식으로 벡터라이프 들려드리는 것도 나쁘지 않네요.
맞아요. 퍼포먼스
Sure.
없이 하니까 좀 신기하네요.
네.
맞아요.
여러분 어땠어요?
네, 여러분 응원법 진짜 너무 잘 들리는데요 여기서 들으니까.
그러니까요.
진짜 너무 가까워서 좀 부끄러웠어요.
네.
네.
현장도 약간 그만큼 했던 것 같아요.
르네봉 그 비치는 얼굴이 잘 보여서 좋았어요.
눈에 되게 이렇게 흐뭇하게 보고 계시는 거예요. 그래서 맞아요. 분위기 딱 잡고 눈에 보자마자 웃어버렸어요.
Maybe there isn't going to be another song. Maybe this is it, actually.
아 아쉽네요.
네.
저는 네, 이번에 좀 개인적으로 라이브가 좀 아쉬워가지고 한 번만 할까요?
Oh, are they actually going to do it again? That's so funny if they actually do it again.
리더 어때요?
그게 좋은 것 같아요.
SBS는 위지영이다.
네, 그러면은 아쉬우니까
네.
앵콜 한 번 더 갑시다, 여러분.
Well, obviously, I don't think they're going to do the whole thing again.
네,
Let's go.
인기가요 MC니까 구 MC도 아니고 현 MC니까 같이.
Yeah, he's not a form one, he's the actual one at this point. That's so funny. So I don't think they'll perform the whole song, right? It'll just be like part of it, maybe. Yeah, it's definitely just going to be part of it. Oh my god, he's going down there. That's crazy. He actually went down there. Oh shit. Oh, it's a whole different one. Oh, they did Lunatic. They did Lunatic. Shit. If you want me to do Lunatic as well, please let me know. I don't think I've done any of Anteam's ones. I think the only group that I've seen on here is AHOF so far. So please let me know if you want me to do Lunatic as well. I definitely will. So tomorrow I'm gonna be watching. Because today I'm gonna be going to my grandparents soon. What time is it? Oh my God. But the video I'm gonna be watching tomorrow is BL actors and shit moments because she's out kissed. I'm thinking of watching that tomorrow instead of today because I gotta go. But yeah. Please let me know like what you want me to watch from Anteam next as well, because I can watch that with something else probably as well. But yeah, this was a good video. I don't think there's anything else I need to watch right now. Maybe I'll watch another. Oh, there's the Lunatic one. Okay, the Lunatic one's here. Actually, should I just watch it now? Maybe I'll just watch it now. Should I watch it now? I think that's probably easier, right? I'll watch it now. Hold on. Let me find it. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. Okay, so Lunatic. Hold on a second. I'll be able to find it in a second. Hold on. I just found it and then it disappeared. Wait a minute. Oh shit. I'll look it up because then I'll find it. Okay, I found it. Here we go. Let's listen. This is gonna be cool. Oh, it's a different day. It's a different day though, because they're wearing different outfits. Unless they just got changed on the same day.
하루하다 파란색.
I don't know.
여기 통했네.
동했네. 파란색.
통했네.
근데 딱 의상만 보고 어떤 노래 할지 알아요?
맞아요. 후에마입니다.
맞아요.
타키 이 옷은 맨 처음에 제가 입었는데 어쨌건 아닌 것 같아서 타키합니다.
Yeah, that's so funny.
되게 잘 어울려.
타키가 입으니까 더 이쁜 것 같아요.
Yeah, yeah. It does look good on Taki.
자기 혹시 그 그랜나루 댄스 보여줄 수 있어?
Side band.
우리끼리 했던 거.
아니 또
네.
우리밖에 모르잖아.
못 봤는데 안 봤어. 해줘 볼게. 못 봤어.
That's so funny. What?
Wait to go hard, like a rockstar. 도전은 her friend.
What is this gonna be? Oh, that's so funny. What the heck?
여기 먹어야죠. 맛있어.
This is so cute. He's gonna do it all the different times. Oh shit, this is so cute. Not doing it all together.
뭐 어떻게 해요?
Not them all doing it. Reluctantly for some of them, for sure.
뭘까요?
That's honestly so adorable, though. Let's go. The hair. Oh, they're dancing this time though. They're actually doing the choreo. Oh, not now. This is cool. Was it the crowd? The ooze? shit. Yo, Joe's voice there is crazy. Higher than usual. Cute. Cute. I love the outfits they're wearing actually. I really like Kay's outfit. Like his entire style there is amazing, honestly. Shit, that was good. That was really good. Shit. And they talk at the end. Yup.
루나틱 재밌다.
루나틱 진짜 재밌어요.
여러분 루나틱 어떠셨나요?
어떠셨나요? 루나틱?
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Cute.
재밌어요 진짜.
뺏고 싶은 파트. 있어요. 마키의 이성을 잃어가 I'm going 여기 아니야. 이거 뭔가 재밌을 것 같아요.
제가 이쪽을 보면서 하잖아요. 근데 제가 왼쪽이 더 잘 나와서 사실 이쪽으로 가고 싶은데 카메라가 이쪽에 있으니까 이렇게 해. 다음에 이렇게 해볼까?
It was cute.
파트? 근데 제가 영어 할 수 있었으면 막이
Good.
하고 싶어요.
I love how it both Maki's parts.
맞아요. 이번
That was funny.
다 끝난 거네. 네?
Encore again, encore. Look at Maki. Maki trying to hit one of the things.
안할 수가 없네. 감독님 한 번만 더.
So they do the encore again. That's so fun.
감사합니다. Let's go.
They do the encore. So they actually do perform both songs twice for the fans, but we just don't see it twice. That's so funny. So they're gonna stop it in a second. Like they play like the first like 10 seconds and then they turn it off. Taki, what's happening? Taki and Kay. Kay, Taki, what are you doing, Saz? They just play with each other instead of looking at the fans. That's so funny. Uma. Cute. Oh, shit. So it says the encore comes the next week after like they do this. So if you want me to do like the encores at the same time as well, please let me know. I don't know what they will be called. So if you could, oh no wait, I think I see the one that's for the Back to Life one. So it's just called Encore Live on the thing. So if you want me to watch them, I'll watch them in the next video. So it'll be tomorrow probably if I watch them. So please just let me know if you want me to see them. If I get comments saying they want me to watch it, then I will. But otherwise, I probably wouldn't if nobody says to watch it. You know what I mean? So please let me know if you want me to see that. But yeah, that was a good video. I love stuff like this. It's so fun. So yeah, I'm gonna go. Goodbye. Goodbye.
No, there's a lot of like nonsense.
Can but be kidding.